Hey guys, it's me, Chris from DomesticKrys, and it's dark and late at night because I have insomnia. And it's been several months since I've talked to you guys. The last video I think I filmed was like a once a month grocery haul, and that's still working out pretty well for us, getting whole bunches at once when we plan out the monthly meals. Even if it doesn't happen every day, I have food that works out. So update on that. But a big thing that most of you don't know is, woo, we're having a baby. I am actually 39 weeks well, I'm 39 weeks and 1 day as I'm filming this after midnight. But yeah, baby's coming soon. Don't know the gender. You probably will never see the baby because, as you know, with my other children, I don't like to show them very much. I've been super duper tired, and you know, way back when I was filming moving into this house, I was really tired then, and insomnia. Used to my husband's schedule now, but like just can't sleep during the night. I stay up really late, and I've been wanting to check in with you guys and say hi, and I hope to next year, you know, or maybe even next month, just depends on how things go with the baby who's coming anytime now. I want to keep you guys posted on what we're doing as far as homeschooling, what I'm going to be doing with the baby, like cloth diapering and breastfeeding, and how my delivery goes and all that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to say I'm sorry that I have fallen off of the face of the earth, but it's just been really important during this year after the move, and I'm not working anymore. I went back to work for a brief period of time after we moved in, and then I just didn't go back. After we had the miscarriage in January and we found out we were pregnant again after we moved in, we decided I just didn't need that kind of stress. So I've been home. It's been great. That is the plan for the foreseeable future, is for me to stay home. I'm excited about that. Being home again with my little bitty one and my big girls is really exciting to me. But yeah, in future plans for Disney, right? My girls and I went in September to Disney World one more time before the baby came, and we saw Not So Scary Halloween Party. We went to Toy Story Land. We had a really great time, and so I'd like to fill you in on that. And also our future plans for Disney, which means no Disney for a while. Waiting for when the baby, or hopefully maybe have another baby soon, so I can have like 2 and 2 or 2 and more. We'll kind of see. And also there's a very big potential, most likely we are moving again. Maybe before the end of the year. Because we discovered that 1,300 square feet, when you run a school out of your home, we could do it. We could do it. But we kind of would rather not. So in the future, we move, I'll show you our new place and how we kind of transition from here to there. So that's the big news I wanted to share with you, that I've been MIA because I've just been really focusing on myself and my family during this time, and really just been so tired and needing all the energy I can to just run my daily things. And going, if you've ever bought a home, going through the process to buy a home after you just already bought a house, it's kind of stressful. So yeah, but I've missed you guys. I've missed talking with you. I've missed sharing and helping you with things that have been helpful for me. Looking forward to helping you in the future, because this stubborn mama is definitely going to be on the postpartum weight loss track come next year. I've got a new a friend of mine who is interested in running and doing 5Ks and races, and so I think that we're going to work together to you know, meet goals that we have individually. Super excited. So lots of exciting things happening, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So I'm hoping that after we get this kind of whirlwind of 2018 out from under our belts, that 2019 is going to be a better year. I'd like to say I can commit to a weekly video. I have lots of ideas for videos. I have things that I want to share with you guys that I've been wanting to share that I just haven't had the energy to do that. And I'm sorry, not sorry, because, you know, it's important. Anyways, I'm rambling, and it's been 5 minutes of me just telling you pretty much I'm pregnant. I've been pregnant, and that's why I've not been hanging around. More changes are coming, and I look forward to sharing them with you. So for those of you who stuck around, thank you so much. If there's things that you want to hear from me in the coming, you know, weeks and year, just comment below and let me know what kind of stuff you want to know. I'd like to start incorporating live times again, because live works really well for me. And so I think that that would be fun too, if I had like a weekly uploaded video and then maybe a bi-weekly or even just a monthly live kind of chat would be really great. I've enjoyed listening to a lot of those as I've been cleaning or washing dishes and doing that kind of stuff around the house. So again, thank you so much. I'm so sorry, and I look forward to talking to you guys again soon.